The Alton Model Flying Club allows drones to be flown if the pilot holds a BMFA Fixed Wing A certificate, drones are not flown at the same time as planes, and fixed wing flyers always have priority. That may sound very restricting, but with the strong winds we've had all year, you don't find many fixed wing flyers at the field. With winds like these shown, the strong crosswind and turbulence from the trees can make landing a fixed wing plane a real lottery. Drones are affected much less by the wind than fixed wing planes, and as a result this year I've had 11 days with drones as opposed to just 3 with my fixed wing models. A flat field may not look a very interesting place to fly a drone, but the 4 of us who do fly them are all beginners, and there's a lot we can learn. The animals that live in the field don't seem to be worried by our drones, so we can often find something to film or photograph. Flying around the marked course can also improve our skills. The course starts with a slalom, but the poles are only 5 feet high, so it's good practice for manoeuvring while flying low. After turning right at the end of the slalom, the next pole is a fast U-turn. Then comes the fastest part of the course as you approach the limbo gate. At only 3 feet wide and 5 feet high, it can seem like quite a tight fit. Finally, you have to slow down, make another tight turn, and start the next lap. None of us will ever be a drone racer, but it's all good fun. And Brian, who suffers from Parkinson's disease and had to give up flying fixed wing a few years ago, has found he can fly a DJI Avata around this course remarkably well. Recently, we decided to try something new. The rules say we can't fly at the same time as a plane, but they don't make any mention of ground vehicles. A runway isn't the natural home of a 1/10 scale rock crawler, but put it into its high speed gear, it's got a surprising turn of speed. We all enjoyed chasing it around the runway, never knowing which way the driver would turn next or what speed he'd go at. It just gave a good challenge. According to the laser height indicator that DJI Avata has on board, at times we're flying as low as 6 inches off the ground while trying to track sideways to follow the vehicle. It's all good fun. Peter even had a chance to fly with the radio-controlled motorbike. That proved a problem as its top speed was faster than that of the drone, and trying to drive it slow enough for Peter to keep up, it was rather unstable.